So in this clip, we can see African wild dogs like on Pinterest taking down an impala. Now it's interesting to see their hunting strategy, where they work as a team to subdue the animal. So this impala came up with a clever defense. It went into the water with the idea of getting away from the pack. Unfortunately, how this pack operates just illustrates what makes wild dogs so successful. They are kind of working in a tag team setup just to keep the impala in the water, and they keep on dragging it back to the bank, forcing it to exhaust itself. This means that the predator can take a break and rest, but the impala cannot. As the impala is getting more and more exhausted, it's easier to take down the prey. This impala went back into the water several times, and finally they've got it to the point where it cannot fight back anymore. And once the prey is that exhausted, it's dragged away from the water to protect it from other predators like crocodiles, and the pack can feast.